what are we doing today, Mom?
Gotta chip some wood chipper.
Wood chipper.
But I need to move a freezer first.
All right, let's do that. What are we doing? Here?
Oh, yeah. This might work. You don't think you should cut some of this off right here?
It could be longer, eh? you got?
Start dragging something the other side. Oh, look at that guy.
What?
That branch is...
You wanna shoot it up there? I'll hand this off.
No. No way. I don't know how to run a chainsaw. That's man's work. The labor, hard labor is women's work. The men get to run the chainsaws. We haven't even started on the maple. Maple's going to be nice wood chips. We probably should save those for
That one back there that we lost everything? Yeah.
so many on the other side of that tree, branches, that'd be great for Chuck's smoker. Chuck Chapman Homestead. Did I do it the right way? Chapman Homestead.
So what do you think? That was a good purchase for with Ice Mageddon this year? You know?
No, it means more work.
Does it?
And tried
Mech
someone
Maxx.
coming to do it, and they quoted me about the price of that chipper, and I never heard back from them. So,
Yeah. There's so much cleanup to do after that ice storm.
and if we wanted a side job, which we don't, we could definitely. Is that snake skin?
No, honey.
What is that? It's cardboard. We could definitely do this as a side job, because apparently nobody does it. Can't find one.
Yeah, shut down, pouring rain.
Okay. We need to hire a couple kids. Somebody young,
Agreed.
healthier. Wait, we got two. Get your camera. Cat sitting. This one's pretty cute. I'd keep him though. He's fun.
No cats. Reflect on what?
It's hard work and we're out of shape.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta do it
Yeah.
in increments. Build up some stamina. You're recovering from surgery. Google is spider plants poisonous to cats because it's eating my spider plant. I mean, I don't like cats, so I don't know anything about them. Kitty, 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 kitty.
Oh, careful.
Oopsie. It sure is cute. Well, dang it. How long is it supposed to rain? Can you look on your radar, please? I've got lots to do.